Hello students, good morning to all of you. I am Dr. Kishore Kumar Rai, Associate Professor in English at PNS College under KSDS University Darbhanga. I am sure that all of you must be studying the materials being provided to you and listening to the lectures being uploaded on the YouTube. Today I shall again discuss time and tense. It is for the students of Shastri and Upshastri. In my last lecture, I had discussed the difference between time and tense and the different forms of present tense. Today I shall discuss past tense. Like present tense, past tense has also 4 forms, and they are past indefinite or simple past, past continuous or past imperfect, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. All these actions of past tense tell us about those actions which happened, which took place during the past time. For example, I went to college yesterday. Last month, he went to Patna. He had left the place before I came. He had been living in Delhi for the last 5 years. All these 4 sentences tell us about those actions which happened in the past. First of all, you must know what is simple past tense. This tense is also known as past indefinite tense. Simple past tense tells us about those actions which happened or took place during the past in a normal way, in a simple manner. If I say, I went to college yesterday, it denotes that action which I did or performed in the past in a simple manner. He passed the examination last year. All these sentences are in connection with the actions happened during past. The words which are often enough used in the past tense or simple past tense may be yesterday, last day, last evening, last year, last month, previous month. These are the words which are used during the use of simple past tense. Then you have to know past imperfect or past continuous tense. This tense denotes that action which was going on, which was in progress or which was happening during the past. That action was going on regularly. For example, if I say, I was reading a novel yesterday. He was going to Patna last week. So these sentences denote those actions which were happening continuously or regularly during the past moment. Then there is past perfect tense. Past perfect tense tells us about two actions which took place during past. For example, he had left the place before I went there. In this sentence, two past actions have been described. One action that took place earlier and another action that took place later. In fact, past perfect tense never comes alone. It is always used with simple past tense. Another example of past perfect tense is the train had steamed off before he went to the station. In this sentence also, two past actions have been denoted that took place earlier and later. Then there is past perfect continuous tense. This tense tells us about that past action that had been going on for a long period. For example, he had been living in Delhi for the last 5 years. This sentence